सनबीम सनसिटी स्कूल एंड हॉस्टल के 50 वर्ष पूरे होने की खुशी में उनके द्वारा अरेंज प्रोग्राम द स्मेल्स ऑफ पावर का आज हम आपको साक्षात अवलोकन कराते हैं। और इसकी थीम जो है वो विभिन्न युद्धों और विश्व युद्धों की विभीषिका को दर्शाता है। क्या क्या नुकसान इन युद्धों और विभीषिका ने किए संपूर्ण मानवता को, इसके बारे में ये प्ले जो है एक अच्छा डिपिक्शन करता है। तो आइए अब पूरा देखते हैं ध्यान से।
My name is Gandhari. I am here now and endless. I could be a school student, college student, or even someone at the evening of her life. And I have gone through it all. From the thick cloth in front of my eyes to the deepest recesses of my memory. I would like to ask, what then would be memory? It isn't a 64 GB expandable memory card slot or a 4 TB external hard disk memory where each folder neatly reorganizes the path of private dilemma. Mostly open, some password protected. What then would be memory? The realization, idea of loss, of number of deaths and tales of conquest, of historical records? What is history? Just recalling name, place, animal, things, writing vain love poems along the folds of the folded paper napkin? What is history, Kasturi?
History. History is majestic. But sometimes it's palpable. I'll give you an example. Imagine you're in Amritsar, going to the Jallianwala Bagh just to celebrate. But there you find that the British police has gunned down Indians. You find bullet marks all across the wall when the memory leaps out of your history books and enters your bloodstream. Or when I'm in Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's house in Dhaka, which is now a museum, I find old stains of blood all across the walls, remembering the moments of gunning down when the entire family was killed, including the young son. So, what would be history? Just vague textbooks that don't even justify these gory events?
History is not about remembering dates or names. Well, is it claustrophobic, insomniac, dated, remembered, profited, castigated, rejected, ejected, non-plural, just a room where the windows and doors vanished after you entered? What would be memory then?
Funny that you asked, because I don't know. What is memory? Is it the remains of walls and cement after a bulldozer has bulldozed the slum? The next time you stand in front of the multiplex where the slum was located, do you remember those lost faces? Do I? Do we? Maybe we forget. Maybe it's because we have been trained to forget. Even that forgetfulness is memory.